It's my feel-good breakfast show.
Welcome back, Mzansi. You are on your Feel Good Breakfast show. Indeed, I always got to remind you, okay, because this is where in almost days being so hot and absolutely all in the name of making you smile. Now, we have a question, have you ever done something completely irrational in the name of love?
100%, yes.
Well, then you're going to relate to Karine Banaat.
Oh, we absolutely love her. She is a talented Afrikaans singer-songwriter, and she's joining us this morning to chat about her new single. It is called Abnormal, and it is a track that is completely, obviously, taking over the world. It is wonderful. It's chaotic with all the emotions that come with love. So everybody, let's give her a feel-good welcome. Hallo meisie, hoe gaan dit?
Goed en zo.
Ag, lekker man. Oh, you're going to do baie again. I know
Baie,
you are.
ek is baie goed, my Karine. Baie dankie.
Ek is baie sleg.
Baie.
Oh, man. Okay, let's get straight into it. Ek wil weet, wanneer was die eerste keer wat jy besef het, hold on, wait, ek wil music vol dates doen?
O, ek weet nie, want dit was net nog altyd daar. Soos ek dink nie ek het ooit enigiets anders in my brein gehad om te doen nie. Dit was net van kleins af wat ek geweet, ek wil musiek doen. Ek
I
is so lief
love it.
daarvoor.
It's in your bones.
Yes, and music is for you, Karine, because you are so talented. And this is why I have to ask you, because, I mean, it requires dedication to get into the Afrikaans music scene, right?
Yeah.
Talk to us a little bit about the obstacles that you faced that really almost, they kind of made you be like, oh, I would have to face this to get in. Talk to us about it.
I think the thing that's mostly like the whole time is people.
Really?
That because we are used to the Afrikaans industry being like, dis baie moeilik om in te kom en jy's nie gegarandeer nie. Almal wat net heeltyd sê, wat jou plan B?
Oh.
I don't have a plan B.
Only
This
plan
has
A,
to work
yeah,
out.
yes.
Dit gaan uitwerk.
Yeah.
So I think it's just everyone that's like Afrikaans musiek, ek weet nie, it's not a career. I think it is. Ek dink as jy die moeite insit en dis iets wat liefie is oor jou pad stuur, is iets wat jy kan doen.
Well, look
I
at where
also
you are.
think so. I mean, what's it? Afrikaans music is like right up there with gospel music in this country in terms of making the most money. So
Sure.
don't listen to them, babes.
Nee.
Listen to us.
Daar is
We say
gas.
keep
Hierso.
going.
Ja, baie.
Let's talk about your track that you released last year. It was called Abnormal. En ekskuus,
Kort
uitgeknip. Kort geknip.
Naby genoeg.
Amper daar.
Sorry
And now we have Abnormal.
Ja.
Hoe het jou klank in music verander?
So ek dink laas jaar het ek was nog onseker oor wat ek wil doen. Ek gaan met alle eerlikheid sê tot nou toe ek weet nie wat ek wil doen nie. So ek weet nie eintlik die genre wat vir my is nie. Maar dit was baie lekker om te soos eksperimenteer en ek voel my persoonlikheid pas meer by die pop waarna ek nou is. Kortgeknip is ook baie ek voel ek het bietjie meer in my eie identiteit inbeweeg met Abnormal,
Nice.
met die fun, happy pop klank waar kortgeknip bietjie meer emotional en diep is.
Yeah.
So ja, dit
Let me-
is meer fun.
Give you a piece of advice. You still figure out the job on the job as
Oh,
you go. That is life.
Facts, that's facts.
That's life.
Maar my babe, is daar 'n seun? Is daar 'n seun? Because Abnormal is about love. And it's about the crazy side of love. Why did you choose the crazy side, my Karine?
Want ek is crazy. Honestly,
I love that.
ek moet nie 'n crush hê nie, want dan ek my kop pak uit.
Ja.
Dis erg. Ek's regtig abnormaal. Ek het net gedink aan ek kan nie eens onthou. Ek gaan met alle eerlikheid sê ek kan nie onthou wie in die prentjie was met Abnormal nie. Maar toe eventually toe ek dieper in die songwriting ingaan met hom, toe sê ek soos hierdie voel nou nie meer soos iemand, dit voel soos hints. Hierdie is soos van wie hy hoop. Maar ja, nee, dit vat my brein oor.
Ons is crazy ook.
Nee, die ding van liefde, dit maak jou 'n bietjie deurmekaar.
Ja,
Is what it is.
Ja, jy lig nie.
Ek lieg nie. Oh, we really have more vocab because we're really teaching you here on Express. I
yeah.
love it for us. Okay, let's talk about when you've got an idea now of a song. You go into the studio. How do you get everything that's going on in your brain into production, into everybody that's part of your journey and part of the storytelling?
Dit is eintlik 'n baie lang proses as mens kom met dit, want ek het 'n paar songs gepitch aan Muse Studios van wie ek Abnormal gedoen het. En hulle luister toe na almal en hulle soos hierdie ene, maar nuwe chorus. Soos die verses is sterk, maar 'n nuwe chorus. So dis een ding waarmee ek sukkel is om 'n sterk chorus te skryf. So dis lekker om almal saam te werk.
Okay.
So dit was ek dink soos 'n maand en toe gaan ek in studio toe. Hulle het vir my 'n hele nuwe melodie gegee en ons het on the spot daai oggend in die studio daai chorus geskryf.
What?
en gerekord en dis hoekom dit is so lekker om met al die talentvolle mense te werk want hulle is so getrain in dit was dit is so lekker om almal se insig te hê.
Okay, on the spot. Love that.
Must be nice to be so talented.
Yeah, it really must. And Karin, this is why we're so glad that you are here, my love. Thank you for coming on through. Thank you for being a part of this beautiful, beautiful day. And I do think that you're going to start it off perfectly for everyone. Are you ready to get on the mic?
Ja.
Wow. Jy is, what's ready?
Sy's reg.
Jy
Sy's
Ja. Reg. I can't trust you guys. Ladies.
Een van die twee.
Well, okay, fine, we'll say that. But I do know Karin is about to blow you away, Mzansi, because she is absolutely so gifted. And genuinely, I feel like Abnormal is a song that can speak to all of us.
100%. You have to go check out that video on YouTube. Don't go anywhere because she is going to be performing for you guys right now. We're heading back to Cape Town. What a lucky guy. Graham went and did hotel living on our behalf. And you guys get to check it out.